everyone, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mama. My name is Maggie and here this week video piece. I bought this desk on my local thrift store a while ago, like a month ago. I bought this desk, the dresser and nightstand. This dresser I paid $14.99. The desk is in a rough shape. I think this is mildew. I need to do a clean up with bleach or something. It's solid wood. Oh, this not works. It is from AXLIZER furniture. It's in a rough shape on the top because the paint I use like for a while for my bench work. Need a really good cleaning. I need to change the back. And the plans I have for this desk is transform in 2 nightstands. I saw a lot of my friends, YouTubers, flippers do the desks and make nightstands. Now it's my turn. Let's go to start. Usually I'm start to remove the hardware and cleaning. At this time I'm going to start and remove the things I'm not going to use. And the hardware and clean up after that. The top part. Also, I'm going to remove the bottom part and attach to the bottom part and put on the top. Will be my top. This will be my top. On the top of my nightstand, I'm going to make another paper. I'm going to make another hole in here to attach my fill up this holes. I'm going to use wood dolls with glue. For the ones has a drawer, I'm going to use the shelf, the sliding shelf the desk have on the bottom. For the ones of the drawers, I'm going to put on the bottom the plain wood. I already got the size I need. At this time I'm going to use bleach and mold and mildew for make sure I kill all this mold on the drawer. I might use a brush. I'm going to use Bond for I'm start to sand with a Thrift sandpaper. On this bond I move to the 120 and 220. I'm to apply bean shellac and primer everywhere. Nightstands ready to paint. I'm going to paint with my spray paint gun. I'm going to use this color, coral. Yeah, you're right. I did this color with the dresser, and the customer by the dresser wants to match nightstands. That's why I make this nightstands. I'm going to use my safety mask and light sand between coats with 400 degrees sand block. Let's go to paint. My base legs with this color called golden maple. To do the final details, first touch the new base legs. The back of the nightstand. I already got the size I need. I needed to this nightstands. I'm going to use nails. It's time to cleaning inside and put everything together. My nightstands, I'm going to use polyene in matte finish, and I'm going to apply with a synthetic brush. I will do 3 coats on a towel and maybe 4 coats on top for because it's a more busy area. I'm going to apply everywhere on knocks and on the base, everything. The final work done. I'm so happy how this desk turned out in 2 nightstands. I love so much. You're right, guys. I make these 2 nightstands to match with the dresser I did a couple weeks ago. I leave the video link below if the guys don't catch that makeover dresser. My client by that dresser, she wants 2 nightstands. I showed this desk and she was so nice, make the desk 2 nightstands, and I think it comes out so well. Can the guys comment below what the guys think? Thank you for watching my video. I hope the guys enjoyed like I did to make. Please like, share and subscribe on my channel. That will be super helpful to help my channel grow. See you on next one, guys. Bye.